Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can customize or edit an already created chat character on Character AI. So let us guide you through this. So guys, head over to your account on Character AI, click into your profile icon in the bottom left and choose Public Profile. Here, switch to the Characters tab on your public profile. And here you will see all chats and conversations with your characters you have created. So if you don't want to create a new one here in the top left, but instead would like to add some changes to an already created one, click into these three dots, select Edit, and after that you will be redirected to the editing panel. And from here you can add or make changes to the profile of the character. For example, change its name, upload a different profile icon by clicking to the pencil icon, view the character book here in the top right, and customize and personalize all of these fields here, the tagline, the description, a customized greeting you would like to be greeted with by the AI character, add more character greetings, change the voice here, for example, if you like, using the voice mode feature, change the visibility, for example, back to public so that the character may be available also for other users here on Character AI. For example, here in the Discover tab, click into more options, provide more information here about the backstory. Click into Save and Chat to start a new chat with the new changes applied, or save the changes by clicking into this button, and you will be redirected to the chat here with your character. That's it guys, thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.